get another from another explosion and fruit sandbox. First, step one, adding an banana dipping the waters. Step 1, a banana peeled. Dipping an banana like that in the water. Another dipping in the water. Another dipping in the water. Faster. Now put the bananas in the more. And then another do nobody's on the rails and ham and beet and toast and bangers. Now step 3. Adding explosion ball. Adding side and then banana. Step 4. Adding the size and adding longer. First, step 5. Adding the banana explosion killed. You're mashing the banana. You're mashing the banana. And mashing the banana to kill the banana. Mashing the banana. So 6 out of 3 are certain things. And this, yes. And this one, 6 and a 3 boom, explosion. How I make a 2 bananas. Adding a 2, set 8, added 2 bananas. Bananas killed it. 2 bananas. Second one, bananas one killed it. In video we see him kill bananas. Really watch it, subscribe and the channel. Good watching. Goodbye.